Lymphedema refers to swelling that generally occurs in the arms or legs caused by a blockage in the lymphatic system. Despite recent medical advancements that address lymphedema, knowledge about this condition is still lacking among the general population. World Lymphedema Day is a patient-driven initiative to make the cure for lymphedema and lymph-related illness as a global health priority. At MediCircle, we're conducting an exclusive interview series on lymphedema awareness series featuring eminent vascular surgeons, physiotherapists, and plastic surgeons treating lymphedema to help raise awareness for all the people, to help them find knowledge and innovations that support them to be able to live their best lives with lymphedema. Hi, this is Sana Khan, and today in this initiative, we're going to speak to Dr. Santosh Tiwari. Dr. Santosh Kumar Tiwari is a consultant vascular and endovascular surgeon at Max Super Speciality Hospital, Patparganj, New Delhi. Also, he is a member of Royal College of Surgeons in England. Hello, Dr. Santosh. Welcome to MediCircle.
Hello, Sana. Thank you for inviting me.
Okay. Dr. Santosh, what is the role of surgery in lymphedema? Can it be cured from it?
The surgery has a very optimum and a very pivotal role in curing lymphedema. But of course, the surgery should happen before the lymphedema advances or it shows the secondary changes in the leg or in the affected part. So it's just like in a simple language, if the damage is not done that much far enough, you can definitely bail the patient out up to a maximum percentage level and restore the normal anatomy up to a certain level.
Okay, Dr. Santosh, what dietary changes would you suggest to a patient with lymphedema?
See, a patient of lymphedema has to make his diet in a very well balanced manner so that the adequate amount of calories should be there in the diet. Along with, the patient should take adequate amount of fluid, as the lymph is the normal fluid which is falling and freely flowing in the body. So this fluid should actually be taken and balanced with the take in and take out. Above and all, the patient should also have a low sodium diet, which is recommended by many of the physicians and the surgeons, as the sodium has got a more potential to keep the water inside the body and make you make the retention of the water. And above and all, the weight control. If the patient automatically puts down the weight and the weight is reduced, the burden of lymphedema, the burden of fat along with the lymphedema goes down. So to summarize, I'll say a well-balanced diet in all the factors, a low sodium diet restricted to it, adequate fluid intake, and definitely the weight management.
So a patient with lymphedema should be careful with their fat content in the body or their body weight.
Yes, of course.
Right? Okay.
Yes, of course.
Okay, doctor, is lymphedema hereditary?
Yes, of course. The lymphedema, as per the journal presentation, can be primary or secondary. Most of the lymphedema, all of them are like familial hereditary patterns, and they fall into the primary ones, and they can occur at the various stages of life, and they have been called for this name also.
Okay, can lymphedema get completely cured?
Well, this is the most difficult question I feel so far, because if you use the word completely cure, then there's something which is near to impossible, yes. But of course, the type of lymphedema the patient is having and the stage at which lymphedema has been presented. So if the damage has done so far that the lymph cells cannot be replenished or there cannot be any lymphovenous channel creation, which can lead to drainage of the lymph, and it is all the damage is because of the imbalance of the lymphatics in the body. The amount of lymph production, the amount produced to be cleared upon, and the most important part is the transport of the lymph in the body. So, of course, if everything goes well in time and the patient is there at the earlier stages, it can be cured up to almost permanent basis. But if you have a late presentation, if you have secondary disease, if you have disease like malignancy associated with it, then of course it is uncurable.
So early diagnosis is very important.
Yes, early diagnosis, early presentation, and a prompt action can cure it up to a maximum level.
Thank you so much, Dr. Santosh, for coming to our show and sharing your valuable time and insights with us. It has been a pleasure having you on the show.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you.